Create a wiki in a content area. Click on a content area in the menu. Under Add Interactive Tool, click on Wiki. Click on the button to create a new wiki. In section 1, give your wiki a name. Type in your instructions or paste them if you've already copied them to memory. And notice that the toolbars are very similar to Word. Scroll down to section 2. You can make your wiki available, and you can set specific dates to display after and display until if you choose to do so. In section 3, we want it open to editing. After the due date, you would want to close it. In section 4, I'm going to choose grading, and students can earn a possibility of 5 points. I would like for an exclamation point to display to indicate that I need to grade a student's wiki posting. We could add a rubric to indicate how we will grade. If you want a rubric, I recommend that you create it ahead of time. When you're happy with all of the settings, click your Submit button. Here's our course vocabulary wiki. We click the Next button. Here's our name. We could choose to make the link a different color. I'll choose a dark green. We already have the text directions in there. We do want it to be available to students, and I like to track the number of views. If you choose to do so, you can put display after and display until dates. When you're happy with the settings, click the Submit button. And here is our course vocabulary wiki. Now we need to create the first page for students to respond to. So I click on the course vocabulary link. In section 1, I'm going to give it a name, so I'm going to call this home page. This will be my first page in my wiki. Type in your content. This would be your vocabulary words, or paste them if you have already copied them from memory. Okay, so here I have some additional directions and then the different terms that I want the students to define. When you're happy with that, you click the Submit button. So here would be my course vocabulary wiki. Here are instructions to the students, and here are the terms for the students to define. The student could click on the Edit Wiki Content to add information. Note, only one student can edit a wiki at a time. You could also choose under Home Page, Edit, or History to see what has been done. Students can choose to create a new wiki page and then link to it from the home page. That's a little more advanced. When you're ready to grade, you would click on Participation and Grading. On down towards the bottom here, You may add comments about what students post, or students may comment on each other's postings.